The Future Skills Hub Opportunities tab is a new collaborative initiative that looks to improve engagement between skills providers and employers. As a skills provider, this is a great way to showcase opportunities for industry placement, requests for facilities and equipment, and requests to employers to share their expertise. Not only that, but it's also a way to share opportunities with other providers through staff sharing or functions and events. To start adding opportunities, all you need to do is head to www.surrey-chambers.co.uk. From here, click through to the Future Skills Hub via the tab shown. Then click through to the Opportunities tab. From here, an employer can view all the opportunities submitted by providers, but more importantly, can filter by the sector they want, whether the opportunity is for employers or providers, and the type of opportunity it is, for example, placements or sharing expertise. To add your own, you need to click on the Add Opportunity button at the top of the page. From here, you will need to fill out a bit of information, starting with whether you want to advertise to employers or providers. For this example, we will be selecting employers. You will then need to head to the drop-down menu and select what you'd like to advertise. There are a few options here, but we will be selecting an industry placement. Each option on the drop-down will give you different information to fill out. As we are using an industry placement for this example, we can now select which industry area we want to advertise for. You also have the option to choose another sector if the one you are looking for isn't listed. If you select this option, you will need to specify your chosen sector. After this, you will need to enter information on your ideal location, the course name and level, the placement age, and what the learner will ideally gain from their industry placement, before specifying how long the placement is for. You can also enter any additional information you would like on the course or any other aspect of the opportunity, before then specifying a closing date. Once the form has been completed, you can click Submit. This will then be seen by a member of the LSIP team and will get approved for display on the Opportunities tab. This will be the result and will be displayed on the main page of the Opportunities tab, and the LSIP team will work to put you in front of employers interested in your opportunity. If you have any questions on the Opportunities tab or on the LSIP in general, please get in touch with a member of the team via the email lsip@surrey-chambers.co.uk or by phone on 01483 735 540.